Joy to the world, let the heavens sing. A child is born, a holy king. The earth rejoices, the skies proclaim His love eternal, His sacred name.